hello, this is Pallavi and I'm the Goki coach, and as I can see 1200 people have logged in. Thank you so much for joining in such an early morning today. How are you guys? I can see people joining. Namaste Hirendra, Namaste Summi. Even my nickname is Summi. Namaste Daniel, Namaste Rinku. Hi Amay. So yeah guys, the India Health Quiz is about to start in 4 minutes from now. Keep a check on the countdown tracker, and yes, play the quiz, win cool awards. There is plenty of opportunity to win awards. Hi Uday, such a nice way of addressing. Hi Sohan. Namaste Vedant. How can you win the prize? Sumi, you can just play the quiz, and then there is a separate quiz section on the app. So you will see a quiz section where you can go and check your points, how much points have you accumulated, and then there is a rewards tab. So when you click on the rewards tab, you see that okay, these are the rewards and these are the points required. So if you have got those number of points, say if a fitness tracker like Goki is say on it's for 8,000 points, suppose. So if you have 8,000 points, you can claim the award. If you have less than 8,000, you cannot claim the award. Okay, तो इसके आप अवार्ड जीत सकती हैं. पॉइंट्स एक्यूमुलेट कीजिए, क्लेम कीजिए रिवॉर्ड सेक्शन में, और उसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्विजेस खेलने हैं. और जो ज़्यादा क्विजेस खेल रहे हो, जिनके पास कीज़ नहीं है, ओके, जिनके पास कीज़ नहीं है वो 6,000 स्टेप्स अ डे वॉक कर सकते हैं. गोकी प्ले स्टोर से कुछ खरीद सकते हैं, एंड 200 गोकी कैश से भी कीज़ खरीद सकते हैं. एंड देर इज़ वन मोर वे टू गेट क्विजेस लाइक द कीज़ फॉर द क्विजेस is you can rate the Goki app 5-star on the Play Store. So those of you who are in love with Goki, of course we all are in love with our Goki app because it is helping us connect, and we are able to talk so much about health, know so much about health, and this is all made possible by Goki team. So yes, token of appreciation towards their efforts, you rate the Goki app placed on the Play Store 5-star, and then you get keys. ठीक है. एंड देन देर आर लाइव्स. सो लाइव्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इफ़ यू गिव अ रॉन्ग आंसर यू कैन गेट एलिमिनेटेड. तो एलिमिनेशन से बचाने के लिए लाइव्स चाहिए. लाइव ज़रूरी, क्योंकि अगर आप ज़्यादा क्विजेस खेलोगे तो चांसेस हैं, देयर आर स्ट्रॉन्ग चांसेस दैट वी कैन गेट 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग, एंड देन दैट लाइक वी आर कम्प्लीटली एलिमिनेटेड इफ दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो लाइव्स आर क्रिटिकल. लाइव्स से हेल्प यू स्टे इन द गेम इवन इफ यू हैव गिवन द रॉन्ग आंसर. सो हाउ डू गेट लाइव्स? आप लाइव्स कैसे पा सकते हैं? लाइव्स आप पा सकते हैं, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट कीजिए. आपका फ्रेंड अगर गोकी ऐप ज्वाइन करता है तो आपको 5 लाइव्स मिलती हैं. वो रोज़ गोकी ऐप खोलते हैं तो आपको 2 लाइव्स मिलती हैं. और अगर वो गोकी क्विज़ खेलते हैं आपकी तरह, गोकी इंडिया हेल्थ क्विज़ अगर आपका इन्वाइटेड फ्रेंड खोलता है, सो you will get 3 lives. So yes, lovely Shraddha, congratulations. Even I got a Goki bag. In fact my kid is taking that to the school. He is in love with that bag so much. So what's the use of the key? Pooja, the key is used to participate in the quiz. Okay, so it's like you open the house by using the key, so you have to open the quiz by using the key, and you get 3 quiz every day when you log on to the Goki. Every time you open the Goki app you get 3 keys. And then there are other ways to get keys, because if you are playing a lot number of quizzes, because the quiz is from morning 7 a.m. till evening 10 p.m. and the quiz is held every half an hour, so there are like 32 quizzes, so you need 32 keys in just a day. Okay, so yes, so there are ways to win the keys also. So the quiz is about to start, guys. Everyone, you remember that the quiz is held on the Goki Play sessions of the coaches, and you have to log on to the session on time, so you cannot be late for quiz. So if the quiz is about to start in 30 seconds, you have to join in 30 seconds. You cannot be late, like you cannot join after a minute, then you will not be able to win points. So make sure timing is essential, punctuality is important, so log on to the quiz on time. And yes, all the best, do well. And we'll join, we will wait for you, and you do the quiz, join back on the session, and yes, we will then discuss about sexual inhibition. All the best. how many quiz in a day? Uday, 32 quizzes. So there is like 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. It's like 10 p.m. It's like almost how many hours? 16 hours. And then you get to play 2 quizzes an hour. So it's like 32 quizzes. नमस्ते नेत्रानंद. हाय अभिषेक. आपने क्विज नहीं ज्वाइन किया गाइस? I'm not able to see the quiz. I think that's like, you will be automatically able to see the quiz, or maybe you have joined late, but still you will see the quiz. Do let me know. I mean, do let the Goki team know. There is a support section also on the quiz where you can see all the questions, the usual, like very common problems that each one of us can face with the Goki app, technical problems. You get the answers, and if you're not able to find your relevant answer in the support page, please sorry guys, there was some problem, internet problem. So yeah, yes. How was the quiz, guys? Yes, so we are going to talk about the session how to come out of a sexual shell. Sexual shell क्या होता है?